Hey, family and friends and viewers and subscribers, non-subscribers, and everybody out there. We are over here at Lee's Forge, and we're gonna look inside here. He's put up 2 pieces of the side already, and let me see. Oh, there we go. So he's got his underneath that tarp is his anvil. He's got one of his forges right there. Another little anvil that we got from somebody. He's got one of the forges he's got are down there, and his vise is right here. But he's got 3 pieces of metal put up. We need to put one more piece up around that corner, and gonna come around this way and put metal on this side. So we're out here gonna try to finish it off. The wind's not blowing. It's not too bad, and we're gonna probably, he's got one piece of metal here. Are you leaving this open?
Yeah, I want to leave that top piece.
So you got to put a metal here and then cut the edge down. So that's what we're working on. So that's, we'll set you aside and you can watch, and we'll just edit what we don't want to see.
Trying to figure out where to use it.
Why can't you use the piece over that corner?
Because I already have a piece over there, ready for that.
Well, we'll use this corner then.
The only thing is, when this is put up, I have to recut an angle if I'm using it for a side.
Then we'll just put it right here. And you have to take that piece off and do that side. Oh, that's all right, so. Take it back out here. Is it going to be long enough on the short side? If we put it right here or not?
What is it 82 or 80?
Did you fix the roof yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, get that roof fixed. That's terrible. Tore the metal. We might have to just take that piece off. $79.
That's inside here. So right at the end.
78.5. Okay, so what do you look there for?
On the short side, you want to see?
Yeah, what's the short side?
78.5.
What's the length of that short side? 81. Okay, so if you put it there, what's 81? Let's see. Yeah, what's 81 here? Go right here. Where's 81? Is it right here? Put straight up. Is that 81? That's 81 right there. Alright.
Yeah, but the angle would be wrong. 81. Yeah, this
Don't worry
is
about
80.
the angle, son. We have to recut it. That's why you measure the short side. You have to cut that. You have to cut the angle this other direction. Or we take that down. We set that up right here. And you put that piece over top of this piece. And we're up to no cutting.
No, just
That goes over
move that
top.
over here. Okay.
Yeah.
So what am I doing up here?
Well, we'll cut the other because they go down the side too.
Oh, you know what?
So there's no cutting then. You don't have to do cutting then. You just overlap it. And you need to overlap that piece if you decide to put a piece over top.
Yeah,
you
if
put
I'm
over
going to have this much overhang though.
Where?
On
Yeah.
the corner.
Go show him. Go show him. So that you're on the same page. I'll hold this.
You already cut this?
This was the piece off of that. You're on the end of it.
And you have this much overlap to cut off.
Is that a big enough overlap to feel? No, I don't think so. It's not.
You put that up right there, and then you hit the. Just dig it down, yep. I don't think the screws out on the other side either. We need to cut all this off, cut this off, so we can fix that piece, take that piece off down there. Okay, he's got to remove this top piece because the wind caught it, and if you, well, I'll see if I can show you. But the wind's caught it, and it peeled it up. So you can see the tear there. So we're going to take it off, and then put another piece on there, and we're going to repurpose that piece, and we're going to cut the other. He's going to do some trimming. Trim that edge off over there. That's right there. And then trim off this whole roof area so that it doesn't have a place the wind can catch on it and pull on it.
That's the north side.
And then we'll come back and show you the new update.
They're setting the line to cut straight across this overhang on the west side of the building. You made some clips in the metal, and they're putting a piece of string to make the line.
Okay.
Sunday afternoon nap.
This is actually a comfortable spot, except for I see the 3 holes. I'll get them put cocky to cock those 3 holes.
Roof trimming.
Go get your glasses. Stop that. Go in the house.
He's up on the top, cutting the top ribs, trying to keep his line straight. One thing I don't think we said in our forging videos, this metal sheets was bought
Let's get that last one on.
15 years ago, anywhere from 12 to 15 years ago, that we had another project that never took off, and that's a long story and kind of makes me mad that we don't talk about it. But we are reusing that metal on his forge blacksmith room. We've used it on the pond cover. And there's still quite a few sheets left, so we didn't use it for the original building that we talked about. And we're going to do it. It's being repurposed, which makes me happy.